Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So many library related questions and so many requests. So here I am with the library tour video. I'm in front of the library. So this is the library. The first floor is the library and the ground floor is just some electricity related room where they keep generators and all. So we are walking in and you'll get to see the library now. However, one point to notice is this is not the permanent library. Permanent library is still under construction and you'll get to see that too in later part of this video. So don't skip it, watch till end. And yeah, let's go. This is the SBI ATM where you can get your money from. And we will enter the library now. Another point to notice is that lot of IISER library material is available online as in form of ebooks. So when you come here, you'll get a login ID password from where you can access library catalog inside IISER server and access to lot of ebooks and lot of library material. And yeah, let's go. Sit and use your computers. Okay. This is where you return your book. I'm gonna borrow these books. You can sit with your laptop here. books. They had Hindi book in the other room, Malayalam books here, lot of maths book here. We have multiple copies of same book, as you can see here. These are reference books. We get multiple copies. Yeah, that's about it for the library video. This is physics. See, Thiruvananthapuram, multiple copies, which is extremely handy for students here. Same statistical physics, multiple copies. Okay.